Okay, now we have to study about the class 11th chemistry. Class 11th chemistry, and our studied chapter is hydrocarbon. So guys, in this section of video we have to discuss about the concept of preparation of hydrocarbon, that is in terms of alkane. That means our current topic is preparation of alkane. That means how can you prepare alkane. In the previous section of video we have to discuss about the term when we have to prepare with the help of hydrogenation and with the help of dehydrogenation. That means in terms of the hydrogenation, that means in terms of hydrogenation. In the preparation of alkene, we have to use the concept of hydrogenation. That mean addition of hydrogen for preparation. That means guys, in terms of the case of the hydrogenation, we have to use the concept for the preparation of alkene. This is not to be very difficult here. We have to just follow the concept of hydrogenation, that means addition of hydrogen only. In terms of this reaction, we have to take any unsaturated hydrocarbon for the preparation of saturated hydrocarbon. The second one concept for this way, we have to interchange the concept of unsaturated hydrocarbon to the saturated hydrocarbon. In this preparation, we have to use the concept of unsaturated to saturated. Unsaturated means the compound containing multiplicity of bonding. That means many compounds having the multiple bonding between carbon-carbon skeleton. For this configuration, we have to elaborate its bonding to the multiple to the single bonding. In terms of alkene, alkyne, we have to prepare the concept of only alkene here. Now we have to discuss about the consistence and another consequence of this preparation in terms of the preparation of the alkene with the help of alkene, guys. In terms of the sequence of the alkene from the alkene, just like the concept, we have to prepare ethene. This is CH2. That means this is ethene here, and this contains double bonding structure in the way. CH2 containing of the double bonding structure, that is this is ethene. C2H4 is the molecular formula of ethene, and this contains 2 carbon and 4 hydrogen in it. That's it. After this, guys, you have to add hydrogen. That is H2. After this addition, After this addition, we have to write the product way. After this addition, we have to write the product way, and that is your CH3, CH3, and this is your ethene. That means the preparation of alkene in the way is clearly conformed in the way of ethene to ethene configuration only. And this is help out with the help of some catalyst, guys. That means this reaction of preparation of alkene is not to be very fast reaction. This is very slow reaction. For the faster preparation, we have to use catalyst, and the catalyst like platinum, nickel, copper. That means these all are the transition metals. Transition metal catalyst, which is used to increase the rate of reaction. In the term of this, we have to prepare alkene very fastly. This is not to be only the formation of alkene with the help of only ethene here. You also prepare the alkene with the help of alkyne. That means you have to use ethyne here. The another one concept for this. Before this, you have to take a screenshot of this. That means you have to also write the synopsis of this reaction in the sequence. Just wait. Okay, for this sequences, we have to write the synopsis again. Only see this level. For the synopsis, in the following reaction, in the following reaction, contain 2 carbon and 4 hydrogen. 4 hydrogen. For preparing alkene, we have to use the concept of hydrogenation. We have to use the concept of hydrogenation for increasing the number of hydrogen. That means the complete synopsis for this reaction states only that this is here. In terms of the following data, you have to use the process of hydrogenation for increasing the number of hydrogen in it. Okay. Now we have to write the second one reaction in terms of the preparation of alkene with the help of alkyne. That means we have to use the concept of the preparation of alkene from alkyne to alkene. We have to use the concept of ethyne here, C2H2 to C2H6. This contains 4 hydrogen less. That means you have to add 2H2. In the terms of reaction, you have to write the concept like that. This is CH triple bond CH combined with 2H2 to prepare with the help of some transition metal catalyst like nickel,
copper, etc. You have to prepare C2H6. That means the concept it creates the value of ethyne to ethene. That means this is the concept of the preparation of alkene, guys. You have to write the complete synopsis for this reaction, what concept you have used for the preparation, and what are your reactants and what are the products. This is the complete formation of answer. If anyone you ask, if there is a examination, the concept is asked for the preparation of alkene, write the method of preparation of alkene. Then you have to write the answer from the first sequence. That means the preparation is alkene is derived from the concept of hydrogenation. This means that we have to add hydrogen in the sequences. That means the condition it tends out for the unsaturated hydrocarbon to saturated hydrocarbon. So guys, this is the concept of preparation. This is the first method of the preparation of alkane. After this concept, we have also used the preparation of alkene with the help of alkyl halides. That means we have to use the concept of alkyl halide for the preparation of alkene. Okay, before this you have to take a note of this. After that I will erase it. Okay, now we have to discuss about the concept of the preparation with the alkyl halide. That means what is the meaning of alkyl halide? Why and how alkyl halide are formed? For the preparation of alkyl halide, first of all you have to use the concept of formation of alkyl halide. That means first of all the compound is alkene. After removing one hydrogen in it, you have to prepare the concept of alkyl that contains one free atom or one free electron of the carbon in terms of the satisfaction of tetravalency. After that, you have to add one halogen in it, and the next one compound is alkyl halide. Just I will give you one example for this for the better concept. You have to take alkene in terms of methane. This is CH4. After that, you have to remove one hydrogen in it, and this becomes CH3. That is methyl alkene, methane, alkyl methyl. And this is represented as like CH3 dash, and this dash represents the formation of free electrons in the term. That it contains one also bond, that is one free bond in it. After that, you have to add one halogen in this. Just like this, I will attach here chlorine, and the next one compound here CH3Cl chloromethane. The compound's name is changed from alkyl to alkane. Again, this is chloromethane. For another preparation, you have to use the concept of opposite way. Your reactant is CH3Cl. After removing one term, this becomes alkyl, and adding one hydrogen in it, this becomes the process of the forming, that is alkene. So guys, according to this concept, you can write the reaction mechanism here. For this configuration, this is your configuration here, that means CH3Cl plus H2. That means this chloromethane is combined to form the composition of this H2 in it. And after using some catalyst like zinc, our next product is CH4. That means this reaction leads to the formation of CH4 plus, that means again alkyl to alkene will be formed. After that guys, you have to use this concept and the next formation is CH4 plus HCl. That means the preparation is leads to the formation of alkene again. That means this preparation of alkene is completely formed with the help of alkyl halide. So guys, this is the concept here.